square kilometer. So these three things I think will be clear to you, and it is made up of formed by 3 river system. ये भी आपने बहुत ध्यान से करना है, इंडस, गंगा and Brahmaputra, and combinedly this northern plain is also known as Indo-Gangetic plain. Sometimes you can get the name of this plain as an Indo-Gangetic plain. Indo-Gangetic plain just because of river Indus and river Ganga. It is combinedly known as Indo-Gangetic plain. Now, it is a densely populated physiographic division with a rich soil cover combined with adequate water supply and favorable climate. It is agriculturally a very productive part of India. Densely populated. Why it is densely populated? The question arises over here. It is a densely populated physiographic division. Now, why? Why it is densely populated? Because rich soil cover. As you read that it is made up of alluvial soil brought by the river sediments combined with adequate water, because number of rivers flowing through this region, and these rivers and their tributaries provide sufficient water to this area. So regular supply of water, favorable climate, because these are the flat surfaces, and here the climate is moderate throughout the year. Okay, no extremeness in climate, so that is why throughout the year the moderate type of climate remains here, that favor the habitation of the human beings over here, as well as agriculturally a productive part, because it is made up of alluvial soil. Alluvial soil is one of the rich soil, rich fertile soil that helps in agriculture. So that is why agriculture is the main activity or occupation of the people for their earning. So this is also the reason that the people want to live over here, and it is a flat level surface where the means of communication and transportation network is also possible. The construction of industries is also possible. So this physical feature of this region makes it a most favorable for density of population. Next, the rivers coming from northern mountains are involved in depositional work. The rivers about which I told you, river Ganga, Indus or its tributaries, all such rivers are engaged in depositional work. Means every time, this is a continuous process. Every time the new sediments are deposited and the old sediments are eroded. Next, in the lower course, due to gentle slope, the velocity of river decreases. Beta, each river has 3 courses. From the first course, that is known as the upper course, from where the river originates. The second middle course, when it moves towards the flat surfaces, and lower course near the रिवर माउथ, जहाँ पे आपकी रिवर जो है किसी दूसरी वाटर बॉडी में अपना पानी जो है वो ड्रेन करती है. सो दैट इज़ द लोअर कोर्स. सो लोअर कोर्स तक आते आते रिवर की जो आपकी वेलोसिटी है, जो स्पीड है, वो कम हो जाती है, डिक्रीजेज, विच रिजल्ट्स इन द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ रिवर राइन आइलैंड्स, जो आपके रिवर राइन आइलैंड्स के फॉर्मेशन में हेल्प करता है. क्योंकि जब आपकी पानी की स्पीड कम हो जाती है तो उस पानी के साथ या रिवर के साथ जो सेडिमेंट्स आपके बह कर के आ रहे हैं, इरोड होकर के आ रहे हैं, वो आपके धीरे धीरे, क्योंकि वो आपके हैवी होते हैं, पानी की जब स्पीड कम हुई तो ग्रेजुअली वो सेडिमेंट्स आपके डिपॉजिट होना शुरू हो जाते हैं एट डिफरेंट प्लेसेस. सो इन दिस वे देयर इज़ द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ रिवर राइन आइलैंड्स. मतलब रिवर के बीच में जो आपके आइलैंड्स बनते हैं, डेवलप होते हैं, दीज आर नोन एज द रिवर राइन आइलैंड्स. एंड वन सच एग्जाम्पल ऑफ रिवर राइन आइलैंड इज माजुली. माजुली इज इन ब्रह्मपुत्रा रिवर लोकेटेड इन आसाम. दिस इज वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट और द लार्जेस्ट riverine island. and it is inhabited riverine island. Okay, लार्जेस्ट इनहेबिटेड रिवराइन आइलैंड इन द वर्ल्ड, मतलब इतना बड़ा आपका रिवराइन आइलैंड है माजुली, जहाँ पे आपके जो प्रॉपर इट इज़ पॉपुलेटेड. Now the rivers in their lower course split into numerous channels due to the deposition of silt. These channels are known as distributaries. बेटा जैसे कि मैंने बताया towards its lower course the velocity or the speed of water or the river get decreases, and due to this the river splitted into number of channels. Channels means small streams. छोटी छोटी streams में या channels में divide हो जाती है क्योंकि जो सिल्ट है वो आपके वहाँ पर इकट्ठी हो जाती है. These channels, these small streams or channels of water are known as the distributaries.